So one other issue that you guys might come across is if we have run out of CO2, or for some other reason you're having a pH problem. So when we're here in our back room at A.R. Kaufman, we use a system of CO2 cylinders. So these CO2 cylinders are what control the pH in our system. So when our pH gets high, it is automatically feeding the CO2 into the pool water, and it's bringing our pH level down. So if for some reason we've run out of CO2, maybe there's a problem with the system, whatever it might be, there's another way to bring the pH level down. Now what we use is muriatic acid. This is a dangerous chemical. If you have not been trained on muriatic acid and how to use it properly, do not use it. I want you to call the aquatic supervisor. I want you to call me, Paul, here at the A.R. Kaufman YMCA. Do not handle this if you've not been trained. But if you have been trained, we can use muriatic acid directly in the pool, only when the pool deck has been cleared and there's nobody on the deck. Proper personal protective equipment must be used, including anything over for your eyes, goggles. You also need to be wearing a face mask while using this, but that is another way to do that. If you're having a problem with CO2 and you can't figure that out, the best thing to do is to call me, and I will either be able to assess that with you over the phone, or if I need to come in and make a mechanical assessment to see what's going on, perfectly fine as well. So you can find my contact phone number either at the front desk or at my workstation in the back admin office here at ARK. So don't be afraid to do that, because it's always better to call me or someone else to help you with the problem than try to figure it out yourself and make things worse.